One of the most, if not the most important appliances in the house is that thing right there, the Ophora BioQuantum Water Station. Check it out. This bad boy removes over 30,000 known contaminants to deliver nano-pure, hyper-oxygenated, pH-balanced, mineralized, and restructured water. It's got 14 levels of filtration and removes all the nasties like pathogens, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, fluoride, chlorine, heavy metals, carcinogens, and even microplastics. But perhaps one of the coolest things about it is that it makes hot and cold water on demand. I never realized how much time I was wasting every morning boiling hot water, so this thing has been a true game changer here in the house. It's amazing to know that every drink we make is made with ultra-purified, incredible water. And that, my friends, is how you get pristine, clear, cold, and hot water on demand, on tap, 24/7.